Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we give dimension if the uh, roof is in linear position. So for this the command will be, as you can see that the roof is at certain angle, like this. It is not at 90 degree. To give dimension, so the command will be dimension aligned, like this, and it will be aligned according to the angle of the roof, like this. Here, if I can see over here, let's say here, it will be aligned accordingly. If I give dimension to uh, property to house dimension, like this here, so it will be aligned at certain, as you can see it is not at 90 degree. So this is the way you can use dimension align. I hope you find this video useful. So take care. Bye bye.